Datalogic is a global leader with headquarters in Bologna, Italy. Barcode readers, machine vision, loss prevention sensors, and laser encoders. Datalogic is the only company to deliver end-to-end data capture solutions from raw materials through production, POS, and last-mile delivery. No other company can offer this. Datalogic focuses on 4 markets: manufacturing, retail, transportation and logistics, and healthcare.
We are the only data capture company that entirely manufactures its products in Brazil. Handheld and fixed POS scanners, and a line of mobile computing devices. Our investment was planned to support the huge growth potential of the Brazilian market. Retail is one of our main verticals. We deliver innovative solutions, including automated checkout, queue busting, and self-shopping. Our most unique asset is our repair center in Brazil.
Quality rates in Brazil and worldwide are 99%. Datalogic is committed to its customers. In product delivery indicators for Brazil, we are above 98%.